So hey, what's up guys, this is your friend Captain Diaz back with another laptop overview, and this time around we are going to talk about Razer's X Lambda, the collaboration between the both of them and made this laptop. And we covered a long time ago in the past about this laptop, and yeah, initially it looks good regarding the design. We're gonna talk about each and everything on this video, so let's get started. You're watching Keras and Diaz, and let's talk about this laptop. Talking about the processor, then you're going to get is the Intel's i7 based 11800H, and yeah, it is kind of a 11th generation processor. Talking about the graphic card, then you're going to get is the Nvidia's RTX 3080 Max Q graphic card, which is a really nice thing. Talking about the RAM and ROM, then you are going to get is the 64 GB of RAM, which is a really nice thing, and 2 TB of NVMe PCIe 4-slot storage. Talking about the I/O ports, then you are going to get is a good selections of ports. One is the full-size HD card reader, full-size HDMI, one USB-A port, which is a Gen 3.2, and if you have to talk about, there are two more USBs which are normal USBs. Also we are going to get is the headphone jack, Thunderbolt port, which are two Thunderbolt ports, and both are Type-C basically. Thunderbolts are Type-C and they are of generation 4. Also there is a headphone jack, which is also really nice thing. And if you are looking, there is also Kingston lock too. Talking about the battery, then you are going to get is a 80 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, and if you have to talk about the charging, then you are going to get is a 230 watt of power via port, which is from you connect a power port, then you will gonna be charging, and there is 100 watt of Thunderbolt power via port, which is a really nice thing. About the weight, then this laptop is kind of on heavier side as per me, 2.02 kgs of weight, which is, so for some people it might be okay, for some people it might be on the heavy side. Talk about the operating system, then you might be thinking it got the Windows 11 normal thing. No, this guy is having the Linux based operating system, and it is a TensorBook. So yeah. About the webcam, this guy is having a 1080p camera, which is a really nice thing, and kind of it is smaller as per the design of the display, smaller. This laptop, Razer X Lambda, and kind of it looks really nice, but it is kind of an unbalanced laptop as per me. And as if you know, Razer is basically known for its brand name, but pricing is kind of a different in its laptop, and they make some good laptop as per me. But if you have to talk about this laptop, it is around $3,500, and if you convert to Indian currency, then it is around 2,67,000 INR rupees. It's kind of it is on the expensive side, and it also comes with the Linux based operating system. And if you think that hey, Linux is good, yeah, I think Linux is good and Linux is useful for a lot of users, but if you mark it out around this globe, then there aren't that much big users. Even the basic users goes around with Mac OS, or you can say this Windows OS. Even though if you want Windows operating system, they give it, but it is a Windows 10 Pro, and you have to pay $500 more for it, which is kind of a reasonable for some of the expensive guys. And there is also one more thing. If you want a cloud service, then you have to pay another $500. Yeah, again a reasonable $1,000 from your pocket. And if you want a premium support for your laptop, then you again have to pay to the company. So yeah, it is kind of undivided as per me. Now let's talk about the initial specs and that all stuff regarding this. So Windows, not the Windows, the processor, Intel's 11th generation processor. Yeah, Intel 11th generation processors are good, capable of doing a lot of stuff, but if you go around 12th generation is the latest one, and kind of let's take it that the 12th generation is an optimized over a lot of things and stuff, but i7, no. If you go around, i9 is really powerful, and basically it is well optimized too. You can do a lot of gaming and do a lot of stuff for that thing. Even though there is 165 Hz, you might be not able to get a good gaming experience out of it. And as I told it, not told it yet, there is a big collab, not the collab, big returns on the website of the Lambda that 5 times faster than the M1 Max. And if you took around and if you know some dating arounds, then this is a old processor, the latest from the Apple in the Mac, or you can say this M1 lineup is M1 Ultra. So kind of a say, please compare with that thing. And gaming is a different thing, and doing some stuff on the website is completely different thing. Over the graphics and that all stuff, I hadn't know about anything on this laptop, but still RTX 3080 is nice. So yeah, this laptop, if you are looking for a Linux based operating system, if you got a lot of money to spend on a laptop, if you want a Razer branding, if you want a lambda branding, and if you want a shiny looking laptop, then you can buy it. Over the time, this is for the people who is like, okay, I just wanted to watch a content, then you can buy it, because gaming isn't that much out of the box for the 11th generation as per me. If 12th generation, there you can get out of the box gaming as per me. So yeah, it is okay. What are your thoughts about this Razer X Lambda collaboration laptop? And it is okay as per me. What do you think about this laptop? Let me know in the comment section down below. If I missed out anything, let me know that also in the comment section down below. This was Captain Diaz. Like, share among your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon for more content like that. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay connected. Peace out.